Are you rolling out new technology to employees and you need to teach them how to use it? Or making other big changes and you need employees to adapt? If so, then this video is for you. Hey, Jonathan here with ScreenSteps. Now, whether you have a new tech rollout, are adding a new product to your offerings, or are simply changing how you handle procedures, it can be a daunting task to train your experienced employees on anything new. So in this video, I'm going to show you an approach to microlearning that can simplify these training moments and help your team feel empowered and ready to adapt to the change. What we typically see when it comes to employee training is that people put together PowerPoint presentations that look like this, and then go through those slides over a Teams meeting. But this can cause real challenges. First, coordinating schedules so everyone can attend is impossible. Second, you usually cannot match a pace that's good for everyone. You either go too fast or too slow. And third, you cannot cover the material in sufficient detail. Or if you do, then it's often too much for anybody to remember after training is over. And to top it all off, in most cases, there will be updates and changes along the way after training is done. Well, microlearning fixes all of that. With microlearning, you create a micro course that includes short videos that explain what the change is, why it's happening, what it's going to look like, and other big picture concepts like that. These videos provide context that help employees gain a foundational understanding of the change. Now, the micro course also includes links to related digital guides that go through the click-by-click instructions for related tasks and procedures. By creating micro courses that contain videos of the high-level explanations, as well as links to those detailed digital guides, employees can take training on their own time, at their own pace. And you can balance big picture topics as well as the details without overwhelming employees because they can always reference the guides later on. And when change comes, simply update the guides and employees can immediately adapt. You can also supplement the micro courses with in-person training that focuses more on practicing what employees have learned in the micro course, helping them be completely ready when the change hits. All right, guys, that's all I had for this video. Now, the microlearning resources I've described are based off the Find and Follow framework, a method for helping you train employees and transfer knowledge faster. By offering self-paced, bite-sized modules, learners are empowered to adapt to the change instead of being overwhelmed by it. And it works for small changes or big ones. In fact, we recently applied this exact same approach to a CRM implementation for hundreds of employees across the country, and we were able to create the materials in less than a week. Now, if you want to learn more about these micro-learning sessions, watch our most recent webinar, Master Technology Rollouts at Your Financial Institution, linked in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe.